Hello, and I hope you all are doing well. And today we're going to look at a website which is called Dreamstime. So Dreamstime is a beautiful website. You go to Google and type in Dreamstime, and you could see the first link. It says that stock photos and royalty-free photos by Dreamstime. Now, Dreamstime is a place where you get to download royalty-free photographs for your personal use or for anything else or any upcoming projects that you want to do, right? But what we're going to look today at Dreamstime is the opportunity to earn money. Now that's right, you're going to sell your images online. Now there are so many other websites like FOAP or Fob and many other sites that are there online, but Dreamstime is pretty good, and we've done a bit of research and seen online how good they are, and they have actually paid out people over the years. Now this has been here for a long time. It is a company from Brentwood, Tennessee, and there are a lot of opportunities here to make money by just selling your photographs online. Now it's pretty simple. Now let's assume you do not have a professional camera or you are not a professional photographer. It doesn't really matter. You can take pictures on your mobile phone and go ahead and sell it, right? So pretty easy. So you get to the Dreamstime website and just go through all the details and make sure to sign up here on the right hand corner on top for free. It's not going to cost you anything. There's no money involved, and you can upload pictures for free. And if people get to download your pictures and purchase it, you would be getting a commission from Dreamstime. Right now it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. You could see that all your pictures should be your own, so just make sure you don't steal anybody else's work. I'm sure we wouldn't do something like that. So go through all these things and register, and make sure that you read all the guidelines and the terms and conditions, right? And they've also mentioned the file requirements and what you need to do when it comes to uploading pictures. And if you keep scrolling down on the Dreamstime website, you could find the earning percentage, right? So this is what the figure looks like when it comes to earning, right? But it also depends on the type of image and the size that you are uploading, and this is how much you can actually make per photograph. Now the good news is that you also get to download photographs from Dreamstime. Now you can see that on top they have this option right here, which is called free photos. Now if you just click on this tab, you know, there are so many pictures that is online, not close to 1 million pictures that you could download, and they've got it all segregated in different, you know, topics. You could see free illustrations, objects, animals, industries, travel, architecture, people. There's so many different things that you could do, and you can download all these images for free. Right, so make sure to visit this beautiful website, and don't forget to sign up to Dreamstime. It's free, and make use of the photographs you have taken on your mobile phone. You can go ahead and just upload them, even if it is a simple photograph or a simple illustration. Somebody might want your content, and if they really like it, you can go ahead and, you know, earn money. So it's pretty easy. So Dreamstime, don't forget about that. And apart from Dreamstime, we're going to look at another website. You might have seen this name if you are a Barcelona fan. You might have seen this name on the Barcelona jersey. So this is Rakuten, and this website is going to help you get $30 today. Now that's what the website promises, but the truth is you need to join and spend $30 to get $30, right? So, but this is a good thing, and you could see how this works. Now this is a website which has so many stores online, right? So you shop through this website and you get rewards for using this website to shop. Now you can see we've got stuff like Bed Bath and Beyond, there's Walmart, there's a lot of stuff like Best Buy, I'm sorry, and so many stuff, you know, different stores online. And as you can see, they say it sounds too good to be true, but it's simple. They have around 3,500 stores that is, you know, waiting for you to just go ahead and start shopping. And the good news is that once you start shopping, you're going to get rewards. So if you spend $30, you're going to get $30 immediately. So basically, if you purchase something for $30, it's going to come to you for free. And you also get cash back and other activities. And you would get this money via check or PayPal within 15 days of your first purchase. Right, and you get paid quarterly, and it goes on like that. But the truth is, all of us shop online, once in a while. We make sure to purchase something. So why let this opportunity go? Go ahead online and try and use this website to, make money online. So if you go online and if you type in Rakuten, you could see that, they say that it is a place where you get cash back and you keep repeating that process. So that's what this website is all about. And the last website for today is MyPoints. Now go to Google and type in mypoints.com, and here is the bonus with MyPoints. So you join now for free and you get a $10 welcome bonus. So you either get it as an Amazon gift card or you can get it as a $10 Visa gift card. So it's pretty easy. This website is also the same, like it's MyPoints. MyPoints members get up to 40% back with every purchase at 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. So Amazon here is the biggest advantage because most of us keep shopping from Amazon most of the time. Well, at least once or twice in a couple of months. So make use of these opportunities while you can. You're not going to lose anything. Uploading photographs online for free, it might be a bit of a hassle thinking about it, but just get started today. It's not going to take you too long, probably 10 to 15 minutes, and then you'll be done, right? And just imagine if you upload like one photograph every single day on Dreamstime. At the end of the year, you would have a great portfolio of 365 photographs, and you would also have the chances of people purchasing your photograph, right? The more photographs, the more chance of people to buy it. So these three websites, I hope this was pretty useful, and I hope that you sign up and get that quick $10 bonus from this website, and make sure to use these websites to shop and earn some money as much as possible whenever you can. Right, so I hope all of you are staying well, and I hope you all are enjoying your beautiful day. Until then, I will see you all again in the next video.